In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Squarespace QR code. So, if you're ready to enhance your visitors' experience with easy access to your online content, let's dive right into it. First, we're going to need to navigate to the Squarespace platform. If you're new to Squarespace or not logged in, this is the time to do so. Head to their website and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the home page. Your first task is to locate and click on that Get Started button, which will take you right to the heart of your Squarespace workspace. At this stage, you're now routed directly to your dashboard. Here, you'll want to focus your attention on the Pages panel, which is a vital feature for managing all of the pages on your site. To open this panel, just look toward the menu options where you'll find the option labeled Pages. Click on it to reveal a list of all the pages you've created. Now, here's a crucial detail. Each page holds various settings that can be customized. Find the specific page for which you want to create a QR code. Next to the page's name, you'll see a small gear icon. This is the gateway to this page's settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open up a new pop-up menu specifically devoted to this page's settings. Within these settings, stay on the General tab, as this is where you can make any last-minute changes to the page's URL slug. It's important to double-check this detail now, because after you create the QR code, updating the URL slug later will result in a broken QR code, which is something you surely want to avoid. As we continue, there's a toggle switch that you'll need to locate. Simply look for the option labeled QR code, and you'll see a toggle button next to it. Switch this toggle on, as this step is necessary to generate the QR code for your chosen page. You're almost there. Finally, once you've toggled on the QR code setting, the last action is to click on the Download QR Code option. This button should be visibly accessible right within the settings. Clicking this will initiate the download of your newly created QR code, which you can then use however you like, whether it's for printed materials, digital marketing, or anywhere else it might be handy. And there you have it, a concise and straightforward process of creating a QR code for any page on your Squarespace site. Now you're equipped to effortlessly share your content with the world. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you in creating your Squarespace QR code. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.